Hello, welcome to this lesson in Algebra 1. Here we're going to continue learning how to multiply polynomials by monomials. But to change it up a little bit, instead of just multiplying things, let's try to solve some equations. So at first you might say, well, how do I do that? Well, you just got to use all of the rules that you have. So if I had an equation like this, 3x minus 1 plus 2, 4 minus x. What do you think you would do? A lot of students get confused when they look at this and they say, well, this is crazy and this is crazy and I have x here and x here. What do I do? Well, you know that you can distribute this 3n and you know you can distribute this 2n. So then once you do that, you're going to collect all of your x's together, your like terms, and then try to isolate x as you have learned in the past. And so this only extra step here is doing the distribution. Because now we're learning how to multiply monomials times polynomials. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 15 equals, now when we multiply this in, 3 times x is going to give us 3x, and 3 times negative 1 is going to give you negative 3. So we're kind of doing the multiplication as we go here. Then we have plus. 2 times 4 gives you positive 8, and 2 times negative x gives you negative 2x. So now you see what you have on the right-hand side. This is a like term with this. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 what? 1x. So I just write it like this. And then I have negative 3 plus positive 8. So you can think of that as 8 minus 3 effectively, and that gives you 5. So now this is an equation that you solve many, many times. How do you get x by himself? Basically, you subtract 5 from both sides. So you do the opposite of the addition here. So it's going to be 15 minus 5 is equal to x. I'm subtracting it from both sides, but it disappears on this side, giving me 0. And on the left-hand side, 15 minus 5 is 10 is equal to x. So another way to write that is x is equal to 10.